Hey there, DIY enthusiasts! Liam here from Handy Lab, ready to embark on another epic crafting adventure. Today, I've got my hands on some gorgeous African wood, and we're turning it into a killer table. Let's dive in. First things first, we gotta glue these bad boys together to form a sturdy bundle. It's like putting together a DIY puzzle, but with more wood and less frustration. Once that's done, it's time to let it dry. Patience is a virtue, my friends. Now, on to the fun part, busting out the table saw and getting creative with the design. I like to think of it as woodworking with a dash of artistic flair. Who said power tools can't be used for crafting masterpieces? Out with the old, in with the new. We trim off the excess pieces like a barber giving a fresh fade. Waste not, want not, right? Repeat after me. Glue, clamp, repeat. We're all about precision here, folks. Can't have a wonky table now, can we? Smooth as butter, baby. Sanding down those rough edges until we've got a surface smoother than a baby's bottom. Okay, maybe that's a weird comparison, but you get the idea. Time to piece it all together like a woodworking wizard. This table is starting to take shape, and boy, is it looking good. Polish, polish, polish. We give this beauty a shiny coat to make it sparkle like a diamond. Who says DIY can't be glamorous? And there you have it, folks. One stunning masterpiece crafted from scratch. If you enjoyed this woodworking journey as much as I did, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY goodness. Until next time, keep crafting and stay handy. Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a powerful hammer from rebar. Now, I cut 4 portions of thick rebar and solder them together. This forms the core structure of the hammerhead. Once that's done, I clear the rebar of any rust and cut off the necessary portion to get a clean piece to work with. The next step is to cut vertically and horizontally, creating open slices at the tip of the rebar. I then cut out a wedge of metal to fit into the vertical open end. And solder all the open ends to secure it in place. Afterwards, I clear one side of the rebar of all irregularities on its surface to ensure a smooth finish. First, I start by coiling the tip of the rebar around a metal rod. Then, I cut through a circle and solder the open end. Next, I coil the rebar around a longer pole with heat. After that, I cut off the open end to get it ready for the next step. At this point, I place both portions together. And start filling up the remainder of the hammerhead with more pieces of rebar until it takes its complete shape. To finish it off, I solder all the pieces together and smoothen the surface to give it a polished look. Now, this powerful hammer is ready to destroy absolutely anything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.